Let's learn Barbie Dreams. It's choreographed by Rosie Multari, Grace, David, and Jef Camps. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 7. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts, and we'll include any styling you can add or any options to make the dance a little bit easier that is listed on the step sheet. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about our tag and how it happens, and then we're going to go around and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall, so you can hopefully dance this really fun dance on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Barbie Dreams. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to take our right heel, tap it forward, take your right toe, tap it back. We're now going to step forward with our right foot and step our left foot next to our right. We're going to do 2 walks back, step back right, step back left, and we're going to take our right foot, we're going to rock it back and recover onto our left foot. Now some styling for that section is on those walk backs. You can make them fans. So when we step back with our right, you're going to take your left foot and you're going to fan your toe out from right to left on that heel. We're now going to step back with our left and you're going to fan your right toe out on your heel from left to right, and then complete the dance the rest of the way. Whichever way you do it, the counts are the same, so the choice is kind of yours if you would like to add a little bit extra. So let's try that with some counts. We're doing our heel toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine with a point. We're going to step our right foot to the side, left foot behind, right side, and you're going to point your left toe to the left side, slightly angling your body to the right, using this as momentum. We're doing a rolling vine after this. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping down on our left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're going to make another quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side, and you're going to brush the ball of your right foot on the floor. If you or somebody you dance with does not like to turn, you can make that another grapevine with a brush. Either way is fine. Let's try it with some counts. We just did our rock back, recover weights on your left foot. We're doing that grapevine with a point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 cross points. We're going to step our right foot forward and slightly across our left. Point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward and slightly across your right. Point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn. We're going to cross our right over our left. We're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left. You'll be into about the 130 diagonal. You're now going to make another 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to step your left slightly forward. Let's try that with some counts. We just did our brush. You're doing your 2 cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we are going to do a V step. We're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, left foot forward into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot back center and left foot next to right. We're now going to do step touches. We're going to step our right to the right side, touch our left next to our right, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. And some styling that you can do on that is that first side touch with the right, you can make it a hip roll. So when we step to the right, you're going to roll your hips from left to right and kind of tap that toe to the side more than together, and then do your side touch. So you would go roll, tap, side, touch, and then do the dance from the start. So let's try that with some counts. We're doing our V step out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts, and you can choose which styling you would like to do. If you would like to do it regular, or if you would like to add the extra in, that choice is yours. Weight is on your left foot. We're doing our heel tap. Heel touch, back, forward, together. Go back, back, rock, back, recover. grapevine with a point, rolling vine, quarter, half, quarter, brush, cross point, jazz box, quarter turn, V-step, out, out, and inside touch, side touch, step, touch. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're doing your heel, toe back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would dance all the way through up until our wall 7 tag. So wall 7 is our 6 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the full 32 counts, which will put you facing the side wall, or 9 o'clock. We have a 12 count tag that's going to bring us back to the front wall. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock, and you're going to touch your left next to your right. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot and brushing your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. You'll be at 12 o'clock, step your left foot to the left side and touch your right. Now, here we're going to run in place. So we're going to quickly step right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And then you would start the dance all over again. Or if you would like to make it a little extra, when you do that touch, you can do a full run around very quickly, kind of keeping it in place, going over your right shoulder, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, coming back to the 12 o'clock wall, ready to start the dance all over again. Whichever way you choose, totally up to you. The demo for this video has the run in place. If you go and look at my other demo, it has the run around. Let's try that tag with some counts. We're facing 9 o'clock. Your weight is on your left foot. We would have just ended the dance. You're going to do your step tap, making that quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and heel, toe, forward, together, back, back. Let's try it with that full turn so that you can decide which one you like better. Weights on that left foot, you're doing your quarter touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your run, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Ready to do it all over again. So now let's go all the way around. We're going to do 8 walls of the dance. When I do the tag, I'm just going to do the run in place. If you would like to try the run around, that choice is yours. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight's going to start on that left foot. We're starting with our heel, toe, right heel, right toe, forward, together, go back, back, rock, back, recover. Grapevine with a point. Quarter, half, quarter, brush, cross point, jazz box, quarter turn, V-step, out, out, in. Now your side touch, roll, touch, step, touch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, toe, forward, together, back, back, rock, back, recover. Grapevine with a point, rolling grapevine with a brush. Cross point, jazz box, quarter turn, V-step, out, out, and inside touch, side touch, heel, toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, toe, forward, together, back, back, rock, back, recover. Grapevine with a point, rolling vine with a brush. Cross point, jazz box, quarter turn, V-step, out, out, and in, side touch, heel, toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of this wall, we're going to add on our tag. Heel, toe, forward, together, back, back, rock, back, recover. Grapevine with a point, rolling grapevine with a brush, cross point, jazz box, quarter turn, V-step, out, out, and in, side touch, do your tag, quarter turn, touch, quarter turn, brush, quarter turn, touch, side, touch. Now run in place, run, 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 start over, heel, toe, forward, together, back, back, rock, back, recover, grapevine with a point, quarter, half quarter brush, cross point, jazz box, quarter turn, V-step, and now your step touches, and that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn Barbie Dreams. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.